we are going to introduce about the modify tool of this AutoCAD software. So in the first picture we get a sample of 100 unit of height and 35, 15 and 35, total 85 unit of length. So take rectangle of 85 length and 100 unit of height. Now after zoom accessible, we explode at first for creating these circles and gaps. We supposed to explode, 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 enter, select the object, then after enter take a offset of 50 unit and a offset of 35 from left and then 15. Clearly see that the gap between them is 15 mm. So taking offset ups and down of value of 7.5 mm. So at the left side a circle is presented, so take center radius is given 25, take the center and radius 25 base, circle is drawn. Then the gap is created along the radius. So taking offset of from middle line about an distance of 25 mm. Take trims, TR double enter, trim the extra objects. So fine, the form structure should be okay. And delete the different portion. The right and the top gap is to be mirror at the bottom. So select the top, click on keyboard MI, enter for mirror, select the base and the click on left click and the bottom gap is created. After that fillet, F enter, should be with a radius of 8. First object, second object, select, but it is so the closing side should be moved at right side. So select the left arm from the middle point, select and move M enter at 8 distance, and then create a circle of radius 8, then trim about it, TR double enter, and trim the excess parts. After that, the middle baselines are deleted, trim again, and the extraordinary parts is to be eliminated. Take fillet, so F enter, given radius of 10 mm. After that, two circles are given at the right side, ups and downs. So create a baseline for centering the circles. Choose the midpoint of the line to create the circle center. Create the one circle, and after same image to be mirror, and create the upper circle. No, that is fine. After that, dimension should be cleared 35 and 35. Therefore, targeting the projection of the button 100, $50, and after the radius, give the middle radius, give the width of gaps, then dim style for modify the dimensions, modify lines, offset from origin should be changed to 5, extend beyond lines to 1, okay, arrow size to be increased by 5, okay, set current, close, okay. We are going to introduce about the modify tool. Second drawing is based on the circle, offsets and arcs, and especially based on array. So where do we do for array? Where the same objects are continued in maximum times. So create a circle through circle the radius of 125 mm. Z enter, A enter for zoom accessible. Then again radius of 90, then 100, and after that take 110 radius wise circles. So the outermost circles tubes is formed. Take the inner circle of 75 mm radius. The distance between the end-to-end distance of the tube is 60 mm. So create a center line, arbitrary. Take offsets at right at 30 and left at 30 mm. So 30 plus 30, 60 mm. Create a line of arbitrary 150 mm about an angle with horizontal of 45 degree. Then trim and select the objects to do the delete. The outermost lines should be deleted. Then start, end, direction, arc, and should be start point, end point, and direction at the outside. Okay, fine. Then it should be mirror because opposite side is to be same. After that we create the inner circles for the graph created. Take the circles of radius 25 is given at the drawing. Trim again for the outmost perimeter of the circles. Create the shape. And the circle, half circle should be created on left side of the center based on mirror command. Mi enter. Select the object, baseline, extend the upper lines because there is a gap, small gap created. Create the object to be mirror, then array. Click AR enter. Polar array should be chosen because it is a circular or radical shape. Click the center. Then item number should be 4. Then click enter. Enter, then exits. So the drawing is okay, fine. Let's try to do the radius of the different circles. 100, then 110, end arc radius 11, take angles between them 45 degree. Distance would be measured 60 mm, is to be taken by linear dimension. Okay, fine, the object is done. Second drawing is based on array should be a dining table. It is based on rectangles, lines, offsets, and specially array. By means it is not a radical array but a rectangular array. So create a rectangle of 350 to minus 125. After that, a single chair should be created. So position of the chair should be from 17.5 from the left and 32.5 from the upper and the lower. So create 60 by minus 55, then explode the chair object, the rectangle, because it indicates a offset of 10 mm. So 10 mm offset is created in the inside. So it placed about 17.5 mm from the left and 32.5 mm from the top and bottom. So create offset at first, explode the rectangle, then offset 17.5 taken. Then place about it a arbitrary distance would be created about 10 mm, no, 15 mm. So take an offset of 15 mm from the outside because the chair should be placed at the corner point. So done. Delete the line. Then the chair should be copied for the side based. Rotate at 90 degree. Because it is done for the right side chair. Again select offset for creating the corners. So another comment is done in this case move, enter, select the object, select the corner point and drag the object to the specific corner point you have to choose. Create mirror. So take mirror, enter, create, select the object, middle portion and reference plane should be done, and the left side mirror is done. After that, the chair is vertically should be in array form or multiple forms. So select enter array, then select rectangular array, then it likes to be columns 4 and rows 3, but in the drawing we get columns 4 as usual, but rows is 1. Column gaps, center to center gap should be 80 as per drawing. It should be 80. And the rows should be 80. So it is done, and the 4 chairs should be mirrored by the middle line and take it as a dining table. So after that, the middle portion text should be formed by multiple text. Type empty for multiple text, drag the corners or box for creating the text. Type dining table, clear, select the text, choose and increase the size or $20. Okay, fine. It should be moved at the middle of the dining table. So it is done. Based on array